A logarithm is a mathematical concept which is just an exponent. And we're going to be looking at these exponents in base 10. And we concentrate on base 10 because this is our number system. We're in a base 10 number system. So we call this the decimal. And on this side we have the 1/10th, the 1/100th, which is 10 to the negative 1, 10 to the negative 2, and so forth. Now on the left-hand side of the decimal, we have 10 to the 0, which is 1. 10 to the first is 10. So when we say we're in base 10, we're looking at the base of the exponent being a 10. We're going to look at what a logarithm means in terms of an exponent. If I have the form 10 to the y power equals x, notice my base is 10, we can do a rewrite on this. We're going to write this in a different form. The same meaning, but just looking a little bit different. It's going to have the word log for logarithm. The base is 10. Notice it's a small subscript next to the g. X is in this position, and y, the exponent, is what the logarithm is. We state a logarithm is the exponent is y, so the log is equal to the exponent. And because we use this often, we're in base 10, our number system, we're going to denote this as the common log. So a common log is going to be a logarithm in base 10. And so we get a little bit lazy in our writing, and sometimes when we form text, it's a little bit more difficult to show those subscripts. So we're going to drop the subscript. We're just going to call it log of x equals y. That is the same thing as the log of x base 10 is y. Those are going to be equivalent. We're going to stick with this first form here so that we no longer have to show that subscript. So let's evaluate sum. Again, there's no base shown, but I can reset this up. My base is 10. 10 to what power is 100? That power is 2. 2 squared is 100. 10 to what power is 1,000? That power is 3. 10 to what power is 1/10? I'm going to rewrite that as a decimal. I see that's 10 to the negative 1. This number is tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So I want to know what exponent, that's what a log means, what exponent on base 10 is 1/1000th? That's 10 to the negative 3. So the answer to that is negative 3. This last situation, we're going to do it a little bit backwards. This is asking you what's the value x such that 10 to the 4th power is x. 10 is my base. Here's my exponent. 10 to the 4th power is 10,000. So we're in base 10, staying in our number system, and we're just either setting them up as exponents or rewriting so that we can solve for that exponent position.